Welcome to Lawn Rush. So we are out cutting lawns and it is raining, and guys, it really sucks. It really sucks. Like, we cut the grass, then we go to blow it off. It takes longer to blow off than it does to even cut the lawn, and it's still just not good. It's left over. There's grass left over, and there's no way we have time to blow this off because it's going to take all day. So we're going to switch it up. We're going to change gears a little bit. I am not doing this all day. Let's switch over to a different set of equipment and let's do something else today. See you guys at the next scene. All right, guys, we are switching it up. We just dropped all our mowers and we switched over to just a utility trailer with a tarp. And we are going to be removing all of this. So our game plan is to just take our hedge trimmer, articulating hedge trimmer, and just clean up the bottoms of this. And then we are going to take our super sawzall and harass the root structure till all this is removed and we have a much better looking landscape here. Then we'll measure this for mulch. I forgot my measuring wheel, but I could use the old trusty 1 foot to measure. So anyway, this is before, and I will show you guys after. All right, guys, and there is after. Looks a lot better, huh? Didn't even know this hedgerow was back here. And then we did knock this out pretty quick. Jacob's wrapping up the trailer, but I did have a little bit of bad luck in the backyard. I'll show you guys what happened. So I wanted to clean this area up because it had been full of leaves and weeds. And I was whipping some of these weeds, and all of a sudden, the glass shattered. You can still hear it crackling. I want to get away from this. It's probably going to fall. Probably about to fall out. So I got to do something about that. Sucks. Second time this has ever happened. But I don't know. It's something about old glass. You know, if you see old glass. Low power, guys. Hardly any throttle. And next thing you know, I just hear pop. I'm looking like, what was that noise? Sure enough, it was the glass. So I got to deal with that. See you guys at the next scene. All right, here we are. Second job of the day. A little bit of an emergency service. Branch fell in yard. So check it out. It is crazy how much and how big this branch is. So this is kind of wild. Just the bark on that. That thing right there is so heavy and so big. So we're gonna have to cut this up. We'll use the Milwaukee chainsaw for this. Now the danger is, if you look way up in there, you can see that there's another branch close to falling. If you look way up in there, it's like split. But dang, just imagine if I was here at that time where this fell. So what I'm probably gonna do is cut this area off and try to, ow, I hit my head on something. I hit my head on this metal thing. See that? It's like moving now. Because I bust my head on it. That beautiful water. But what I'm going to probably try to do is stay away from where that one's about to fall and just trim this off. And then I'll have Jacob watch me so that I don't get hit and it doesn't fall on top of me. And if it falls, I'll jump out of the way. But anyway, let me hurry up and get this out, and we'll get this on the trailer. All right, guys, so I want to get this Milwaukee Saw in action. So I got it. I like this thing. I haven't used it a whole bunch, which is why I like it. Because I don't need a saw all the time, and it's nice to have when you do need it. And it doesn't need to be maintained. And it definitely gets the job done. Is this gonna be heavy? It's heavy. Oh, sorry. It's heavy, but I can manage that. I'm kind of in the kill zone still, but What are you gonna do? Life is long or short. I don't know. All right. One more here. What do you think? Pretty slick?
Yeah.
All right, see you guys at the next scene. Ooh. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so you guys requested seeing the custom-made Milwaukee hedge trimmer in action. So here it is. I pretty much put this thing together myself, and it works pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Quiet. No fumes, and I mean, this is the go-to. This trimmer right here is the go-to trimmer. Check it out. Yeah, you can't buy it like this. Too bad Milwaukee's not up on that. You know, I took it apart and I forget how I did it, honestly. Pretty slick, huh? Hit the top real quick, just so we can see it. You know, I can't really see that. Got a 12 amp hour battery, which is excessive. We definitely don't need that much power, but pretty slick, guys, huh? Jacob, how do you like it?
Oh, it's real nice. You know?
Is it the go-to?
Yep.
Yeah, it's the go-to. But anyway, yeah, figured I'd show you this. People wanted to see it, and this is it. And I gotta jump on the long one. I got that one right here, ready to go. All right. See you guys later. All right, guys, so we picked up another load with our utility trailer, but started messing with it, putting it into the trailer, and boom, got stung by a bee. So there is a pretty big beehive. If you guys can see those little guys in there getting after it. They did sting me, but now it's time for them to pay. So me and Jacob are gonna put these bees down, and I do apologize for all the bee lovers out there, but it is what it is. We'll take care of this. No factor. So anyway, let's get these bees wiped out. All right, guys, so I got a couple cans here. I want to make sure I got enough ready, extra ready, just in case. reload. Got 2 fresh ones.
You ran out that quick?
Yeah, like I said, you can't be. I mean, that was too easy. Bees, they're not that smart. They're kind of like wondering what's going on. All right, let's load some of this out and keep an eye out. And if something pops off, we'll take care of it. All right, here we are at the dump, unloading by hand again. Pure suckage. Got to deal with the bees and all this. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get it done. See you guys once it's done. All right, and just like that, it is all out. Crazy load. Took us about 10 to 15 minutes to throw it all by hand. Should have got that, but we didn't. So yeah, let's hit the road. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for the video. We are now home. Nathan, say hi.
Hi.
And there's the girl. And yeah, so we finished up the day and we had to cut some lawns.
Sissy, Jesus.
Uh-oh, that one's crying. Anyway, that's it for the video. See you next time. Over and out.